Okay guys, we're going to do a little troubleshooting with our bag sensor. The bag sensor actually consists of two items. This is the amplifier, has the red numbers and the green numbers. The other part is the fiber optic cable right here, comes out of the top, goes through and actually comes to this head right here. Okay? Now first things first, let's look at the amplifier. Normal operation, the red number shows the intensity should always be above the green number. Okay, and the way this works is that as we stick a bag in here, okay, we block the light and it causes it to fire. You're showing on the amplifier as I do it. You put it in, no, right like that. You'll notice every time it fires, the red light right here comes on. And also the intensity drops on the red number to somewhere below the green number setting. Okay, back over there. One of the problems that you might have is if you have a clear bag, which we are here is like clear plastic. I put it in, and it worked that time, but let's try it again. Oh, let's move our set point actually. Perhaps your set point, your green set point, is somewhere like this. Now you can see I put the plastic in it and the red number only goes down to 295 and it won't fire. If you're putting something clear in it, what you have to do is adjust the green number to be closer to the red number, and that is easily done by hitting the up button, and this changes your set point. Well, it should change the set point. There it goes. I'm going to run it up to about 350 or so. 380. That's even real close. Now when I put in the clear plastic, it fires. Okay? After doing this, if this is not firing and you're not getting any changes in the number, then you may want to determine if you either have a problem with the amplifier or the head. And the easy way to do that, especially if you have another machine, is you simply take the head off. The way to take the sensor out, you pull that up, pull the little gray piece out, okay? Now I'll show you, you can see the intensity, look, it's at 9,999. Okay? You can now take the sensor, the way this thing works too, right here. This little gray piece, all it is the cables fit into the hole. Okay? Kind of hard to see without my reading glasses, but it goes right there. And this one goes right there. You push it up till you see it come out in the end. Right here. And you just press back down to where it's even. Okay? Now all you have to do to test your head, to make sure if the head is working or not, is on a unit that you know is working on another machine. You simply drop it in there, push it down, and now you can see even the difference here. Our intensity now is 1500, and that's because of this right here. Here's the sensor, and one of the things that can change is this little reflector pad right there. That reflector pad is this piece on here. If you put it in, you can actually see the numbers changing. Okay, you got to have the reflector, a good reflector in there, and you can see that this one is working. And when I put my finger in, we'll do it together down here. Okay, it fires. The number drops all the way to 80 something, and it fires. Again, if you had a clear bag, you may need to run your green sensor number up. Okay, we can run it, in this case, all the way up to like 1100 or so. 9,000. Let's see what happens here. I'll put in a clear. See, it fires because the red number is going down to 745. If I have my green number too low, though, let's drop to about 600 and something. Okay? Now it's not firing. at least not every time. But there it is. See, our set point is almost the same as our amount of indication. So anyway, here's all you got to do. Again, flip that loose, pull that out, and put one in. All right. I'm going to go ahead and put this one back in. All it takes is the cable, the little gray thing, put it in the hole. Eventually I will get it. Where the heck is it? Right there. Alright. Now you can see here my intensity is only 300 and something. Okay? If it's real low, you can take it and turn it the other direction. Oh, that's even lower. So you see that there is actually one direction that is better than the other. Okay? I'm going to take it and go back the other way. Make sure my cables are out. And you drop it in the holes. It's okay to turn the machine off while you're doing this. Like mine, we don't have the strip on it, so that's why it's firing. Okay, now our intensity is only 390 up here on our little sensor. Again, watch this. With the reflector, if I put a new reflector on it, now look at the green, look here. Now see the number? That's putting a new reflector up there. So sometimes it can simply be that your reflector has worn out that causes the system not to work. Okay, a couple other things real quick. I'm going to change my set point. If it's not firing, my green number has to be below the red number. You simply change it with the toggle button right here, drive it down. If you're at 390 like this, I recommend your machine be somewhere around 180, 200. If you have a clear bag, it's still not working, right? Clear bag, you must have the green number closer to the red number. Opaque bag, works fine. Okay? And there's a few other settings on this. I'll only go through those with you if we have to. There you have it.